So we've got the top half of the clamshell here in place. It's folded back up and kind of sitting there under its own weight. We've got the connectors all back on, transformer hooked up. You can see that big heatsink there and that linear power supply. There's a couple of fuses on it as well, plus a fuse down in the base of the unit. At least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liquid capacitors in there. It looks like power is also brought across through here to the monitor. Video's brought up, speakers hooked up, power's here, the keyboard and everything is on. Down here, sorry, one-handed video shooting kind of sucks. So I'm going to close this up. I can't do it, I have to have both hands to do it. We'll be back in a second with power. Well, the power cord's plugged in, everything seems to be back together. I'm going to reach around behind and turn it on. The problem here is it's a good sign. We heard it beep. The problem is camera in a place it actually works. So the beep is a really good sign. That says the logic board came up. See if we get video here in a second. If not, I'll tweak on the that's a good sign. Control G sends a bell character. So hopefully the video issue here is just that I've got the intensity way down. That's exactly what it was. So we're in 9600 baud 8N1, doing full loop back. I've got a little jumper wire between pins 2 and 3 on the external serial connector. So we are operational. Control G is the bell character. Control M is a carriage return. I don't remember what line feed is. Anyhow, it looks like we're alive, so yeah, the return key should bring the cursor back to the beginning of the line, and it does. The 0 and period key on the numeric keypad work. So those are the switches we put the orange ones in, and under the return key, of course, is where we put in the 2 white ones under here, and that does feel much nicer. So let's see, Shift A, caps lock. Back tab and tab. I don't think tab fields are set. Of course, we've got cursor control here with the cursor keys. Those are working. It looks like we are fully operational, so which is really nice. I haven't damaged anything with the work that we've done, the cleaning and everything, so that's a really good sign. So I guess that really ends up this video. It's a short one. Really glad that it's working. And I guess I'll wrap this up here. So thank you for watching. We'll talk soon.